Let's cook Sotanghon guisado. Slice cabbage into thin strips. Chop garlic and onion. Slice carrots and shiitake mushroom thinly. Cut pork loin in strips. Cut shrimps in small pieces. Save the shrimp, shells and head. Boil to make a broth. Blender to grind the shrimp shells. Then strain all the juices. Oil in the pan with annatto seeds to add more color to your noodles. Take all the seeds out. Before mixing your ingredients, add pork. Then garlic and onion. Add shrimp pieces. Add oyster sauce. Mushroom. Add shrimp broth. Black pepper. Fish sauce. Add your cabbage. Then the carrots. Add your glass noodles. Be sure you soak the noodles in a hot water for 2 minutes before adding it in the pan. Drizzle with sesame oil. Mix and serve hot. Yummy!